Today we will learn about how to upload datasets into Power BI. So once we open our desktop, click on Start button, search for Power BI desktop and click on Open. Now Power BI will open its file system. From here you need to select a blank report. Save the Power BI file as per your convenience. Now I am saving it as text upload, data upload file. So I'm saving it on desktop and click on save, right? So I'm using page number 1 and I'm renaming it as text upload. So that indicates I'm uploading a text file. Click on get data, choose text or CSV, locate the file, and my desktop has Vignan datasets and which it has tasks. Here I'm selecting a specific text file. You can see all the text files are recorded here and listed here. Selecting the text file with the name UK text file. This is the document. The minute I click on open, it will connect me to the text file database and displays this particular screen, which it shows the file origin, where the file has been located, and how data has to be delimitated, that is called as delimiter. Now it has been using comma as a delimiter. And the third option is data type detection. It has three options based on first 200 rows as a sample, entire data sets. It will take all the data set into consideration, divide the data into divide by comma, and next is do not detect any data type. So let us check with the one option. If I change delimiter to comma to semicolon, you can see how the table is going to load. So this is not a perfect table to analyze, hence here the delimiter should be comma. So based upon your table type, you need to define what kind of data you are loading. And after this, click on load the data. It will automatically load the data. There is one more way that you need to consider the data bar, right? For example, I'm doing again get data text file and select UK text file, the same file. Click on open. It will open this. You can see one more option called transform data. When and why I should use this? When I click on transform data, it will open the data upload file into transform editor. Now you can see some observations. The title is likewise. The keys of this database is sales order ID, order date, due date. But you can see two columns that are above are not at all suitable. So for what I need to do, I need to transform my data to a best level. Use first row as a header, or this is one way, or you can select the two rows which are not required and click on remove rows. Remove top rows, mention the value 2 so that it will remove the top two rows. Now you can see this has become your sales already. You click on use first row as header. Now you can see all the headers has been perfectly aligned. So this is how you need to load the data when it is properly not aligned. Click on close and apply. Now your data has been uploaded, where you can see the two times the file has been uploaded. Let us look at the preview of our file. So this is table view. Click on table view, select file 1. You can see all the names of columns are column only but not other things, and select UK text file. Now you can see the difference between the file 1 and file 2. So this is how we use our transform option to enable or make changes to our existing database. This is how we upload our text file, right? The three takeaways are get data, select the file system, locate the data, upload the data, connect the data, and you need to look after the delimiter point so carefully. Based upon delimiter, the data is being splitted, right? Thanks for the video for till today. Thanks for the video for text file upload. If anyone has any query, you can connect me through my email ID. I'll be sharing you at the file system. Thank you.